Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pi symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert the pi symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, so you just do this. First of all, you just click on the insert option on the top. Now you just need to click on the symbol option. Now you just need to go to the more symbol option, click this. Then you can find this. Just you want to change the font, just click on the font first and just type F on your keyboard. So now you can find just make to find the freestyle script. Just click this, and here you can find the pi symbol. Here you can see this is one of the different pi symbol, and also you can find a different another type of pi symbol like this. So the another way is you just change the font to the French script empty, and here also you can find this same pi symbol. This is the how you just insert two to three different pi symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.